I came here to America as a freshman in college. I was a wide-eyed 18-year-old, and I came with $100 in my pocket because that's all the foreign exchange that was allowed by the Indian government at that time. And I received a full scholarship and a campus job. And I was introduced to the wonderful kaleidoscopic world of the liberal arts degree in America. And I learned many lessons here. And amongst them was that wherever you are, no matter how small, if you work hard and if you're entrepreneurial, you will succeed. I can say America did a lot to shape me.
We are here to expand Mahindra's auto business into the United States, and we're all quite proud of that.
So friends, to reflect back, I think on that beginning and to stand here today is a point of immense pride for me and the entire Mahindra organization.
I'm thrilled to join all of you this morning to welcome the opening of this automotive plant here. Many have spoken about the milestone, the first OEM to invest in this area in the last 25 years. This is not only fantastic news for Mahindra, for Michigan, and for the local community, but it also illustrates the strong partnership between the United States and India.
So ladies and gentlemen, I say to you that as Mahindra, we are here to follow that example. We are here because I hope we will enrich and enhance your community. Thank you for your welcome.